everyone. Welcome to my channel Aid to Study. Hope you all are doing well. I am back with another video of free courses. Now this time, Government of India is providing free courses. Anyone can get certificate by answering the quiz questions. Our first website is Government of India MyGov. Link is in the description box. Here you can access 5 quizzes. Kargil Vijay Divas quiz, 6 years of MyGov quiz, Do You Know Your Census, National quiz and Umang app quiz. In the Kargil Vijay Divas quiz, people who secure 80% or more marks will be given merit certificate duly signed by Chairman of UGC, Director of NCERT and CEO of MyGov. In 6 years of MyGov quiz, you will get a participation certificate. In this quiz, you will get cash prize. In Umang app expert quiz, total 30 winners shall be selected, out of which top 3 winners shall be awarded gift hampers comprising of jute bags, t-shirt and coffee mug. So this is a golden opportunity for all of you to get certified by Government of India. You have to log in by clicking on My Account. Log in with email or mobile number or with a social account. For an instance, I want to get certified by Kargil Vijay Divas quiz. So click on that. This is a timed quiz with 6 questions to be answered in 60 seconds. Click on Start Quiz. Now you can fill your basic details: name, mobile number, email ID, date of birth, gender, state and address. Submit to start. Once you are done with your quiz, you can download your certificate in My Account section. Click on Download Certificate. You will be provided a certificate of participation like this. Our second website is also by Government of India. In this, you are required to take a pledge. After that, you will be certified. There are many pledges that you can take. The Ayush Sanjeevani pledge. Say yes to life, no to drugs. Be vocal about local pledge. I pledge to fight against COVID-19. Suppose I want to take the Ayush Sanjeevani pledge. After click on that, click on Take Pledge. After that, you are required to fill the basic details: your name, date of birth, PIN code, state, district, email, mobile number. Then click on Proceed for language selection. After that, you are required to select the language that you want to take the pledge, in English or in Hindi. Click on Read Pledge. Click on I pledge. After that, enter the OTP that was sent to your registered mobile number. After verifying the OTP, you will be given a certificate like this, the Ayush Sanjeevani certificate. You can send certificate to mobile, email, download certificate or share with Facebook or Twitter. In the same way, you can take any of these pledges. Our third website is All India Council for Technical Education. They are providing many free courses in different branches, in different fields. In information technology, you can gain knowledge in Python for machine learning, cloud foundation, neural network and deep learning, how to ace coding interviews, mastering big data analytics, programming workbench, machine learning using Python. Also providing courses for mechanical engineering students, fundamental of CFD, fundamentals of automotive, plastic designs, fundamentals of computer-aided engineering. Management students can also enroll Introduction to Digital Marketing, Business Finance Foundations, and many other courses. Excel for beginners, communication skills, study skills package. Civil engineering students also can enroll in this. First course is CAD using Autodesk Inventor, MSc Apex, MSc Adams, Structural and Foundation Analysis. For enrolling, click on Learn Now. After that, learn for free during COVID. In this, you will learn concepts, develop gear-train design project from scratch, earn smart certificate, and showcase skills. So that's all for today's video. Hope you liked it. Alright, if you like this video, let me know by clicking the like button and subscribe if you want more from the channel. Click the bell icon to be notified. Thank you.